Welcome to the Sterling Ideas podcast. The Raleigh-Durham region continues to stand out as one of the most resilient economic regions in the United States. Local GDP is projected to grow by 2.4% in 2026 after a strong 2.6% to 2.7% expansion in 2025. Much of that growth comes from several key industries that rely heavily on stable and well-managed technology. It's just as Todd Long, Director of Technology at Sterling Ideas, explains. He says that partnering with a managed IT provider allows Raleigh's top industries to stay ahead of technology challenges without losing sight of their business goals. Engineering is one of the largest sectors in the region. It has grown by 3.5% each year and now employs more than 146,000 people across the Raleigh metro area. Healthcare is another major contributor. In 2025 alone, the health services sector added 19,400 jobs in research and care delivery. Government administration also plays a major role in the local economy. Raleigh serves as the capital of North Carolina, and the state employs more than 24,000 people in the region. Retail activity also remains strong, with Wake County recording $30.5 billion in retail sales during the 12-month period ending in August 2025. All of these industries depend on reliable technology. Managed IT services help organizations maintain secure networks, protect sensitive data, and support critical business systems. A managed provider can monitor infrastructure, maintain backups, support cloud platforms like Microsoft 365, and help organizations plan long-term technology strategy. If you would like to learn more about how managed IT services support Raleigh's fastest-growing industries, read the full article on our website. And remember to add the Sterling Ideas podcast to your Spotify playlist.